Good day. My name is Jason Winters, Critical Care Paramedic at Keystone Quality Transport, and I've been asked to speak to you today about deconning your ambulance at the start of your shift. Also, deconning your ambulance following a contact with a patient, as well as your equipment such as your stretcher, stethoscopes that may be used, or monitors in the case of ALS. The material that we're going to use to decontaminate our ambulance today include the material that we wore into the facility, including our gown, gloves, N95, and goggles. In order to decon the vehicle, we first open the doors and we use one of our two decontamination products. We have a mister bottle with the solution, cleaning solution that will kill the agents, and we have our sanitation wipes. The sanitation wipes are to be used unless a mister bottle is available. If the mister bottle is available, we use the mister bottle instead. In this part of the video, we're going to go over the pitfalls of wiping down with a decontamination rag. This includes areas such as the knobs on the dashboard, as well as the switches on the center console, the radio, and the hand sanitizer area. This can be missed easily if not special attention paid to. In the back of the ambulance, of course, we're going to pay special attention to handles, as well as door handles, as well as grab bars. We're going to include the top of the contaminated waste area, as well as the cracks in between the couch cushion and the bench seat, as well as the seat belts and the buckles on the seat belts itself. The roof also must be done with the decontamination rags, as well as the cow catcher and the floor when wiping down in an ambulance. Pay special attention to areas such as the handles, grab bars, and the IV hooks. When doing the stretcher, we're going to pay special attention to the straps, buckles, and catches, as well as we are going to continue to pay attention to hard to reach areas such as the bends in the rails, as well as the hinges that they roll on. We're also going to begin paying special attention to the outside, as well as the X-frame and the lower handles. And finally, we want to pay especially special attention to areas that could easily be missed, such as the wheels on the ambulance. Yes, these can be accomplished while using handheld wipes in order to get them clean. In this part of the video, we're going to go over the special pitfalls that can occur with the spray bottle decontamination methods. This includes not saturating the shelves, as well as the sliding doors, the chair, paying special attention to the cracks, the horns for the stretcher, as well as making sure to get the ceiling and floor gently misted. When doing the stretcher, we're going to pay special attention to the straps and buckles, the edges of the rails, as well as the hinges. Again, we're also going to get the X-frame, the lower rails, and the wheels. The wheels can easily be missed when decontaminating. Finally, we will show you the correct method on how to doff your basic PPE, such as your goggles, N95, and gown. Start by decontaminating your hands, removing your goggles, and wiping them down with the wipes, making sure to get all surfaces. This includes the headband, as well as the front and inside of the glasses. This is to prevent any issues or build up pathogens on the surfaces. Once you've completed wiping the goggles down, you can place them off to the side to air dry. Again, contact is what kills this. They need approximately 10 minutes of airtime to dry and properly kill all pathogens that may have built up on the surface. We're not looking for saturation, just to get enough moisture on there to allow the surface to remain moist for several minutes to kill all pathogens. We place it off to the side. At this point, we again hand sanitize and we remove our N95 mask, placing it back in our bag so that it can be used again later. We are looking to keep the mask from getting so visibly soiled and difficult to breathe through. These are signs that the mask needs to be replaced. We secure it in its bag and place it off to the side. At this point, we now are safe to remove our gown. Just grab and pull it off. These are easy rip and tear gowns. We fold it in upon itself and we place it into a biohazard disposal bag, making sure not to get any soiling or flora, fauna anywhere else. At this point, we now can finally remove our gloves after a final round of hand sanitation. We start by using our non-dominant hand to remove the dominant hand's glove, and then slip our fingers underneath the non-dominant hand and fold the gloves in upon themselves, making sure not to touch the outside, and we properly dispose of them. Thank you very much for watching this video. I have been Jason Winters, and if you have any problems, questions, comments, or concerns, please direct them to the following individuals for any clarification. Have a good day.